Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts. Plus, we've got some really good glitches to talk about as well. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just in case you haven't heard yet, we have a Dollar General clearance event coming up this weekend, and I have already put out a video talking about all the details, so if you missed out on it, make sure that you go and check it out. I'm going to have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And also, make sure that y'all stay tuned, because coming up next, I will have our new Dollar General clearance markdown and penny list video. So I will be uploading 2, possibly 3 videos today, so y'all make sure that you have those notifications turned on. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons, and of course go ahead and clip your 5 of 25 for Saturday. That's going to come in handy during the Dollar General clearance event. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Pampers diapers. Those are priced at $11. After the coupon, you're going to pay $9. We also received a new 2 off 1 for our Gain laundry products. Those are priced at $7.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. We also received a new 3 off 1 for the Centrum vitamins. Now, this one isn't showing up as attaching to anything in the app for me right now, but I always like to remind you guys that we do have those Centrum minis. They pennied out months ago, but I swear, I still find them out there in the clearance section, so keep your eyes peeled for those. If you find them, it's going to be $2.99 in overage. Alright, next up, we have a $2.20 off one for the Airwick Scented Oil Warmers. Those are priced at $2.25, so after the coupon, you're just going to pay 5 cents. So a really great deal. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the Colgate toothpaste. We're going to pass on that one because we do have higher value Colgate coupons that we're going to see later on. And here's a really awesome deal. We have a 4 off 1 for the Bic razors. These start out at $5.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. Moving on down, we have a 4 off 1 for the Schick disposable razors. Those are priced at $6.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We also have this 1 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergents. These start out at $4, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We do have a higher value, $1.25 off one that you're going to see here in just a second that also attaches to those liquid laundry detergents, so it's just up to you. I think it's a great deal either way, so I'm going to go ahead and clip it. We have a 2 off 1 for our Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are priced at $4, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Right, next up, we have a 1 off 1 for our Finish products. So if you want to pick up the Jet Dry Rinse Aids, those are priced at $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.95. We also have the Finish Power Dishwasher tablets. Those start out at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. But be aware, we do have a higher value $1.50 off one digital coupon, so you may or may not want to clip this 1 off 1 to your account. And there's that $1.25 off one for the Arm & Hammer laundry products. Again, if you want to pick up the liquid laundry detergents, those start out at $4, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. And then we also have the laundry pods and the scent beads. Those are priced at $4.25. So either way, it's a really good deal. Alright, we've got our Gain and Downy Fabric Care. We have a 3 off 1 for the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. Those start out at $7.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. Then we also received this $2.30 off one for the Febreze warmers. So those are priced at $3.25 this week. After the coupon, you're going to pay 95 cents. So another really good deal. Alright, moving on down, we have a 1 off 1 for the Colgate toothbrushes and the mouthwash. If you want to pick up the mouthwash, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. This coupon is glitching and it is working on the Colgate Max White toothbrushes. Those are priced at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. If you want to pick up the charcoal toothbrushes, those are priced at $3.35, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. Alright, next up, we have a 75 cent off one for the Palmolive dish soap. I'm going to pass on that one because we do have a higher value 2 off one that we're going to talk about here in just a minute. Next up, we have a $1.50 off one for the All laundry detergents. These are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have a 3 off 1 for the Old Spice, Gillette, or Secret deodorants. Now, we do have a lot of other higher value coupons for Old Spice, and then I think we have higher value coupons on the Secret as well. So, if you want to pick up the Gillette deodorants, those start out at $4.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50 for 2. But I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now, just until I can take a closer look and see exactly what I have on this account. All right, next up, we have a 50 cent off one for the Lysol products. If you want to pick up the multi-purpose antibacterial sprays, those are priced at $2.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. But a quick little warning on this one, if you want to pick up the Lysol laundry sanitizers, we do have a higher value coupon. It's a 2 off 1. And then we have a 50 cent off one for the Huggies wipes. Those are priced at $2.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. So we're going to go ahead and clip all of these right here. We have a $5.90 off 2 for the Downy scent beads. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $16 for 2. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer laundry packs. And then here in just a second, you're going to see a 1 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer scent beads. Both of those coupons aren't showing up as attaching to anything in the app right now. So that's going to be some coupons that we're going to have to scan those items in the store to see if they will actually work. But keep in mind, we do have that higher value 125 off 1 digital coupon that is working on all of those Arm & Hammer products. So I'm going to pass on clipping those for now. Next up, we have a really good deal. We have a 5 off 1 for the Allegra products. These start out at $10.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. Also, a 2 off 1 for the DiGiorno frozen pizzas. So if you want to pick up the little personal pizzas, those are priced at $5.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. If you want to pick up the big pizzas, those are priced at $7.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.95. So a great deal either way. And then I also wanted to go ahead and mention, if you guys still have stores that haven't pennied out on all those surprise frozen penny items that we had a couple weeks back, make sure that you do not forget to check your stores. I remember we did have some DiGiorno products and that coupon might work on them, so don't forget about that. All right, next up, 2 off 1 for the Palmolive dish soaps. These are priced at $3.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.95. We have a 1 off 2 for the Kellogg's cereal, the Pop-Tarts, and the Nutri-Grain bars. So these are on sale this week, 2 for $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. We have Nature's Bounty. There's that scent bead that we just talked about. We have a 2 off 1 for the Lubriderm lotions. Those start out at $6, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. All right, up next, we have a 150 off 1 for the Super Polygrip products. These start out at $5.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the travel-sized Super Polygrip. The 0.75 ounces, those are priced at $2.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 75 cents. So a great filler item for Saturday. All right, we're going to skip over a few of these right here. Next up, we're going to talk about this 2 off 1 for the Polydent. These products start out at $6.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75. But this coupon is also glitching, and it is working on the 28 count Polydent. Those are priced at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1. All right, moving on down, we're going to talk about this 1 off 3 for the Quaker cereals. These are on sale this week, 3 for $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 3. We also have this 150 off 1 for the Purex laundry products. These start out at $5.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. Next up, we have a 3 off 2 for the Old Spice and Ivory body wash. So again, double check your accounts for higher value coupons. But just in case you're curious, the Old Spice body wash, those start out at $5.50. The Ivory body wash starts out at $6. So I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now. Again, I'm just going to take a closer look at this account and see what exactly I have. Because I know we did have a 3 off 1 for the Old Spice body wash. All right, moving on down, we have Pampers. We have a 2 off 2 for the Degree and Dove dry sprays. Now, I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now. These are pretty pricey at $6.05 and $7.50. And we do have a higher value Dove coupon that we're going to talk about here in just a second. Moving on down, we have a 75 cent off one for the Rayovac batteries. Now, I did clip this one to my account, but I shouldn't have because we do have a higher value 1 off 1. And those are priced at $6.85. So just be aware of that. Here's that $2.50 off one for the Dove deodorants. These start out at $6, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have a 3 off 2 for the Olay body wash products. This also works on the 6 ounce lotions. Those are priced at $6.35. And again, keep in mind we do have that 5 off 3. You may have some other higher value coupons on your account for Olay, so just double check on that. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Dove dry sprays. Those are priced at $7, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5. We have a $3.50 off one for the Dollar Shave Club products. So if you want to pick up the 4 count refills, those are priced at $8.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. the True Living trash bags. Now, wouldn't that be nice if it was save $41? When I saw that this morning, I was really hoping for a good glitch on trash bags. But it is not glitching, but it's still a pretty good deal. These are priced at $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.95. Alright, moving on down, just some more diaper coupons. We have 75% off for the Studio Selection Sun Care. Some of that should be included in the clearance event for this weekend. We have more diaper coupons. Excedrin. We have a one-off one for the DG Health Naproxen. These are priced at $2.85, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.85. And then last but not least, we have this one-off one for the DG Health Triple Antibiotic Ointments. Those are priced at $2.85, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.85. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but like I said before, make sure that y'all stick around because I will definitely be uploading one more video, possibly 2 today, and you definitely don't want to miss out. So before you go, make sure that you do all the things, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, leave a smile down in the comment section below, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.